Good evening. We are located at Trinity Farmers Bellwoods Market in Toronto, close to downtown. Each Tuesday from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Dundas and Shaw Street. Here you can see numerous stuff that they sell. There on the table you're available to see organic wine. You're going to be satisfied with it. It's extremely good. You can see it from a distance a bit. Then you can have crackers on the end. Now you're going to see under that tent. Then before the end on the right is they have vegetables they sell. Then you are going to see they have other pops and everything that they sell here. Then they have Simon Bolivar monument over there, and they sell also other things from the left. Then they have honey and vegetables on the left side. On the end there you will see straightforward. Then on the right side there, straightforward, you are going to see the bread they are selling on the end right, and other things also. We are going more on the right side, turning right. There's a U-turn similar to it, and pumpkins they sell, mushrooms, and they have Niagara organic fruit over there, and farmers market and everything else from the right. This is it.